In the Saints Bible Study, you're going to study 5 New Testament characters who were all religious leaders who lacked faith when they needed it most. We're going to study Nicodemus, the Pharisee who was disoriented by Jesus' testimony, Judas, the disciple who sold Jesus out, Caiaphas, the high priest who was unwilling to steward his power generously, Peter, the disciple who denied association with Jesus, and Paul, the Pharisee who persecuted Christians. You see, the Bible doesn't shy away from these stories about how even the seemingly best or most religious Christians can get it wrong. God could have easily omitted these stories, but instead, he chose to magnify the failures of religious people acting foolishly. That's because he's not interested in saving face. He's interested in restoration. In the Saints Bible Study, you'll discover that Jesus isn't fazed by people's mistakes. He's still after a relationship and connection with every single one of us. And as you sit in the stories of these broken leaders, you're going to see that not even the most painful failures can disrupt God's work or his deep love for you and for me.